what type of shofar do you use? It's a Gemara in Daf Chovav and Beis. Everybody knows it. Do you use a shofar that's straight or one that's bent? No, which one? Aisle and this. What type of shofar do you use? According to the Pnei Yeshua, the type of shofar he uses is the Raisa, not the Rabbanan. He learns as the Raisa because they make a Gzera Shava to Yovel. Now, if you can make a Gzera Shava, if it's the Rabbanan, how do you make a Gzera Shava unless it's the Raisa? So the manner of other people learn it's L'chatchila, but according to the Pnei Yeshua, it's the Raisa of the shofar. What does the shofar represent? How do we relate to HaKadosh Baruch Hu in our tefillah and our relationship on Rosh Hashanah? Do we go straight or do we bend? In Old Malchus Shamayim, in getting upon ourselves the yoke of heaven, it's the same problem. Straight means what? Yedias HaShem. Knowing God, recognizing God, He's the master. You know, we have to makabel upon ourselves Old Malchus Shamayim. We have to take upon ourselves the yoke of heaven. Good. Now the question is the yoke of heaven. You have to know, how do you do it? So there's two methods. One is recognize the godless HaShem and know it is, and you say, well, I see how great He is. I have awe-inspired like Shitas HaRambam, and I pull back and I say, wow, and I have a great love for God and have terrible fear, and then therefore, whatever you say, I'm ready to do. Or the other way around. I really don't know much about you, God, but I know you're the powerful one. I'm ready to bend and accept whatever you want. Both ways are the heart to do. We want to add another step to that. That Rabbi Yoina tells us that MS is a yesod in our soul. In other words, truth is a foundation of the soul. Truth. Rabbi Yoina brings down a challenge. And knowing Hashem and understanding Hashem and going straight is a midah of emes. Therefore, Yedias Hashem is Yisrael. Therefore, at time of Rosh Hashanah, you have to get yourself straightened out and recognize your mitzias with the understanding of what your reality is in comparison to the pictures you have of what you're doing to put it together, and make sure there's no sheker, it's not a dream, it fits into the reality, it fits in what you are, what you believe, and get it straightened out and go straight, understand the godless Hashem and the greatness of God at the time. And that's emes. You're going to bring out the emes of understanding of God in the world and where you're at and what is it about. That's straight. The shofar that's straight. The hachnoy is you bend yourself down and you're ready to listen to do whatever He says and you humble yourself. There are two different ways of working avodas halem. But whatever it is, Rachmana boy. Well, Rachmana boy, God wants your heart. The Almighty wants your heart. This sheet or that sheet, you have to do something. And I don't know, you can do both. The halacha is, if you don't have one, you do the other. But you got to find a derech of how you are going to be successful in avodas halev on Rosh Hashanah Makabel Ol Malchus Shamayim. You have a weekend. Think about it. We're in the month of Elul before Rosh Hashanah and giving it time to work. You have to, it's avodas halev, it's work of the heart. Heart is feelings, heart is understanding, heart is beliefs. You have to change some of your beliefs, understandings, and feeling to be able to clean out, nikiyas halev, clean out the heart, and make it Torah, make it holy and pure, ready for receiving a new understanding, a greater understanding, a renewed understanding, if you go the push it, or the other way around, with your understanding to bend and to bend more and say, here I am, I'll give you all I got, more and more, I'll do more and more. Without questioning, and more detailed, and more energy than ever before. The derech is in front of us, you have to do it.